Hello, welcome to another Unreal Engine tutorial. So in this video, we are going to see how to add a pan sensing to the AI character. Basically, pan sensing is used to detect the player where AI can shoot and chase the player. Now currently AI is just patrolling and it is not detecting the player here. So now we will open the enemy blueprint. So here is the enemy blueprint. We will open this. Now just we'll add a comment to this. So it's a damage. So now we will go to the enemy component here, add pan sensing. So add pan sensing and just we will go to viewport. And now here you can see now when we add this component, this is a site of this AI character. So basically right side there are some details so we can tweak. So here first of all we'll see about the site radius. So how far the AI can detect the player. So here suppose if I decrease to like 3000, now the site radius has been decreased. And now here we can change the vision angle. So here let's say we can type to 70 here. So now you can see this is a perception of this AI character. So whenever the player comes into this range, the AI can shoot or chase according to our code. So now we can increase and decrease the radius here. So for timing, we'll just make it like 3000. So for the timing, these are the settings we are going to do. Laterly in the future videos, we will see some other settings in this pan sensing. So now what we'll do is just we'll go to event graph. And now by selecting this pan sensing, right side in the detail panel, you can see there is an option on cpan. So we need to add this thing. So basically this node is used to detect the player. So now what we'll do is, so here we can add AI move to, and here directly we can select the pan, the target actor, so that whenever it detects a player, now it will directly move to the player location and depends on the acceptance radius. So I will explain it. So what I will do is instead of writing all the code into this, just I will add a custom event and just I will add a blueprints to this custom event. So laterally we can directly add to this pan sensing. So just you will see. So now we will create a custom event, add custom event. Let's say we'll name it as chase player. Okay. Now here just we will add a move to, and now what we'll do is now in order to define this actor, just we will drag this into chase player so that it will add a target actor here. What the thing is, whenever we call this event here, so let's say suppose if I call event chase player, so now we can give this pan sensing to the target actor here. So what we'll do is, and pan we need to add like self, because we need the AI character has to chase the player, so it's a reference to the self here. And the acceptance radius, so let's say what is acceptance radius, so we'll see. Let's say I will give the value to like 200, and now we'll see. So first of all we need to call this. So on pan sensing we need to chase player, and the target actor is this one. So now we'll see. So see, now it has been detected the player and now it is chasing. Okay. So now here you can see, as I given the acceptance radius to 200, so the AI character is stopping the distance of the 200. So suppose if I increase or decrease, we'll see. So if I go, and now let's say suppose if I type 500, so now it has been detected the player. Now it is stopping at the distance of this 500 here. So it depends on the type of the AI character. Suppose if it is a shotgun, we can decrease the acceptance radius. And suppose if it is a assault rifle, we can make it like 500 or 1000, depends on the weapon that AI is using here. So for the time being, just we will put the acceptance radius to 400. So that's fine. Laterly, according to our requirements, we can change. So now what we have to do, like here there is an option called on success. On success, what AI has to do when it reaches to the radius of this 400. So like it need to shoot the player. So what we need to do is we need to add the shooting logic to this thing here. So what I can do is just we will copy a code from the player. So just we will open the blueprint of the player. And now this is a firing like shooting logic for the player. So just we will add a comments to this section 2, 5 or shoot, whatever. So what I will do is just I will copy a code from this montage here. So this is a montage. So from here, I will copy all the things, copy, Control C, and just will go into the AI. And here we will write a custom event called fire. So just we will paste and we will add this logic to this thing here. So once we'll see how it works, and laterally we will adjust the code here. So here we are getting this socket. Okay. So what it is missing here? So the socket, the AI open, yeah. So this is a thing. So we need to drag this target. Yes. And also before testing, we need to call this event here. So we have created this custom event, and now after like on success, after reaching to this particular acceptance radius, so we need to call that so fire. So now what it will do is after reaching to particular acceptance radius, it will like start shooting, but not exactly to the player. So now we'll see, test it. See, now it has been shooted, but now it's not exactly shooting to the player. So it has to find the target. So see. Yeah. So now we'll fix this thing. So first of all, what we'll do is, if you go into this enemy blueprint, now if I select this pan sensing, here right side in the details panel, you can see there is an option sensing interval. So if you want the AI should shoot player continuously, we need to like decrease the value of this sensing interval here. So let's say if I give the value to like 0.1, now if you see, so now say it's continuously shooting. But what the problem is, it's not exactly rotating towards the player. So the AI character has to look towards the player continuously, even the player is moving fastly. So we need to fix this thing. So what we'll do is just we'll go to the enemy character blueprint here. So what we'll do is just we will add an input to this custom event. So add, and we'll name it as like target actor. And here we need to give the reference for the actor. So type actor, and here we need to give the object reference to this actor here. So what we have to do is now the AI character has to continuously rotate towards the player. So for that, what I will do is just I will take get controller. So get controller. So here we will name like take a node called send control rotation, and just we will connect in front of this fire. So after that, we need to get the location of this actor here first of all. So get actor location, and here this character has to look into the target. So for that, what I will do is just I will take a node called find look at rotation. So this character, the self, has to rotate towards the player when it is shooting. So what we need to do is we need to get the location of this target actor. The target actor is the pawn which we are going to connect from this thing here. So what I will do is here get actor location. So from here the target is this one, and now we need to connect this to the set rotate. So here just we will make a proper connection. So this is the logic here. So in this logic, the target actor is our player, and the get actor location. So this is a self, the enemy, which is going to look to the target here when it shoot. And also make sure we need to connect this thing here. So the target actor is this fire. So now we'll see. So see, now it's continuously rotating towards the character here. This way. Yeah. So it's perfectly shooting to the rotating towards the player here. So we will add the damage to the player. So whenever the AI character shoot, the damage need to be applied to the player here. So what we'll do is just we'll go to the enemy blueprint. So here we have already written a logic. So exactly we will copy this code, copy and just paste into our player blueprint. And just we need to create this variable. So right click, create variable. Okay. So what it has to happen, like let's say like it's destroy actor, so it will destroy our player character. Instead, like first of all it will play the death montage, and laterly after delay just it will destroy the character. And laterly in future videos we will see how to like respawn at the final checkpoint. So we will create the checkpoints in the future videos. So now we'll see it will work. So right click, play. It's not shooting. I think we need to change some collision settings for the character. So we'll go into this character blueprint and we'll go to this mesh and find the collision. So find the collision. So here instead of this character mesh, so we will put it to custom, and here we can select this collision enable query and physics. And like we will go to this capsule component collision. So here we can select ignore only pan. So now we will see. So we are getting, now see, now it has been destroyed. So what I will do is just I will remove this montage, because whenever we play, so we are not able to move and the montage is continuously playing. So what we'll do is, so we'll go to this thing, and here now if the health reaches to this 0, then it can disable, and it should happen only for once. So what I will do is just we will take a do once node, so it will disable the character, and once we'll see how much damage it is going to apply. So here damage is 20, so we'll see. Play montage, destroy the actor. Now we'll see. I will decrease the damage value for this enemy. Let's say we'll like give the value to 5. We'll see whether the character is moving or not while the enemy is shooting. Oops. Why it's happening? So default health is 0. Sorry, yeah, whenever we create the health, like we have promoted the value, so the default value has been like 0. So we'll give the value to like 100. Now we will see it will work. So whenever the player like AI character shoot, still we can able to move. Now it's been, yeah, now it's working. So basically whenever you created the new variable, make sure you check whether the value is like 0 or 100. So now this is working. So that's it for this video. Now AI is shooting perfectly to the player. In the next video we'll see how to add a health bar to the AI character.